Hello, in this video we will see how we can fix an error that occurs in WordPress that shows password strength unknown when we try to create a new user or we are filling any registration form. So in this video we will see how we can fix this error. So let's move on with the process. So let's go to add new user and see. Let me fill in all the information first of all. So here you can see currently it is showing the password strength as strong, but sometimes it shows like password strength unknown. So if it is showing password strength unknown, then you can just wait and leave it for some time. So maybe after 30 seconds or like 1 minute, it will start showing you the password strength. So it is just a server issue or an internet connection issue. So you just need to wait so the password strength unknown changes into strong or your password strength. So it will automatically start showing the strength after some time. So you just need to wait. So thank you for watching this video. Do like this video and subscribe to my channel for more related videos. See you next time.